I figured it'd be a good idea as well not parking on here at the same time.
Yeah, it'd probably be alright now.
Oh, I'm sure it would be, but rather safe than sorry.
White House Farm Morpeth. Bring your little elves this Christmas.
Dad, how do they make Yazoo smoothies so smooth?
Dinosaurs. Yeah, they pick the fruit and they mash it up by dancing on it. And the oats are harvested by beavers and zapped by giant rainbow lasers. And the yogurt's delivered from Planet Yogurt on a spaceship. And it's all mixed together in a big volcano.